Hello dear students, good evening. See, welcome to today online class. See, the today date is how much? What is the date today? This is 7th October. See, most probably in the next week you are having internals. Please be serious in all the subjects. Go through once again. See, if anybody copied during, you are thinking that copying and very easy with respect to notes and all. No, it can be easily identifiable. This time, everything will be changed. Please be serious about your academical aspects. Okay. Hello. See, in the last class, we are discussed about this model number 2. Under this model number 2, we are completed this first part. Okay, everything has been completed along with the notes I have given to you. Okay, now we are in this second part, wastewater characteristics. Okay, under this wastewater characteristics, we have taken the estimation of BOD, right, by using various methods, see, and problems. Okay, here you see this number 8. See, this eighth topic is BOD and its methods of determination. See, now we are here, right? Now today I will show you, see, just revision of the last class, the methods of BOD determination. Then I will go to this significance of what you call the sampling of wastewater. This is a sewage. See, sampling of sewage and what is significance, why you have to do, and then what are its characteristics. Characteristics means physical, chemical, and biological characteristics. So these two will discuss in the today 50% I am going to explain, and next 50% in the next class. Okay. See here, this is the BOD methods of determination we came to know. So okay, I will show you those things. Now here, the first one is we came to know about BOD. BOD means what? Demand of oxygen. Remember it. Demand of oxygen required by the bacteria to stabilize the organic matter under aerobic condition. Okay. See, now here the BOD you have to detail study, you have to do. The wastewater means BOD only. See, okay. I will stop for a minute because of technical problem and I will continue to explain. Okay. Okay. Yeah, BOD means what? The meaning of BOD is nothing but organic matter. Amount of organic matter. See, amount of organic matter present in the wastewater. Because organic matter is very, very important. Because you know, the bacteria are two types. One is aerobic, another is anaerobic. Due to bacteria, that is microorganisms, this water becomes pure. The purification of water, see, that is water or sewage or wastewater, because of due to microorganisms which are present in the water. You observe here, microorganisms are nothing but a population. Okay, the food which is required to survive this population is in the form of organic matter. See, whatever you are consuming, all food is in the form of organic matter only. Remember it, because it is decomposable or digestible by you. Like this bacteria means they are also like a living being. They are living being. They are microorganisms. This will be similar to population. Food is available in the wastewater in the form of dissolved organic matter, dissolved condition or suspended or colloidal. Okay, this organic matter, that means the waste organic matter which is present in the wastewater, that is the sewage, are going to consume. For the consuming of this organic matter, these microorganisms required what? These microorganisms required oxygen. That is why, see, suppose 1 kg of oxygen is required by microorganism, means 1 kg of organic matter is present. It is 1:1. Remember it. If it is a 40, we are usually expressing this BOD in terms of what? BOD means what? Biological, that is biochemical oxygen demand. The demand of oxygen required by the bacteria to stabilize the organic matter. That is the meaning. Please remember, I am telling many times, otherwise, this is a basic thing. If you are not knowing the concept of this basic thing, it is of no use. And further, the designs, everything, because a plant is designed based on this BOD only. Please remember, we are not using any chemicals. How much oxygen really required to stabilize the organic matter is to be determined. The determination of BOD are two types. Okay, that is the dissolved oxygen. Okay, this DO. See, that DO can be determined how much actually required by the bacteria. That much of oxygen you have to supply. Agree? See, now observe here. You are also eating food. Food is in different form. That is idli, vada, or what you call dosa, roti, chapati, or any kind of puri, masala dosa, varieties of things, fruits, anything, all are food. The food is in different form, right? To consume that food, you need oxygen. Remember it, because you should be alive. ನೀವು ಜೀವಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೈಟ್. Like this, you are also aerobic. Your body is full of aerobic bacteria. Remember it. Anaerobic means when you are dying, no, then automatically it will changing to the anaerobic stage. How much you are going to breathe means you are taking oxygen inside. That much of oxygen is required means why it is required? For the conversion of energy and as well as conversion of food. The food into energy. This is a concept, you remember it. Forget about all other things. Okay. Now this method of determination, I want to know. See, for example, this organic matter. What is the unit of this organic matter in milligram per liter? Organic matter in terms of milligram per. Organic matter means so many things which are present in the sewage. It is from digestive system only. All people, whatever you are discharging from your house, see, that will passes through the sewers and finally reaching to the sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant where you are going to remove the organic matter. If you remove the organic matter, more than 80% of the wastewater will be treated automatically. That is why we are not adding any chemicals. We are using only microbes, that is microorganisms, which are present in the water. Already they are present. You are not putting or you are not adding any type of bacteria inside. Okay, remember. Now this BOD you want to remember, whatever you want to calculate. If you know the BOD value, then that much of oxygen you supply, automatically water will becomes pure. So BOD is nothing but what? Organic matter. It is a human waste. Remember it, animal waste or anything waste generating that is present in the sewage. That characteristics of sewage today we are going to discuss. I will give you that also. Okay. Now let us see what are those methods of determining the BOD. See, we are having two methods. See, what are those? Number one is a direct method of determination. See, next number two is dilution method of determination. I will give wastewater sample. Okay, that is a sewage I am going to give. See, how to analyze that, it is very important. See, you are having a laboratory test, that is analysis lab, environmental engineering lab. It is in the next semester. Now you are in which semester you are? Tell me. 5th semester you are. Now in 6th semester you are having lab. But for the final year students, now they are in a 2017 scheme. You are 2018 scheme. Now only in final year 2017 scheme is the last. And previously, that means you are in 5th semester, they are 7th. See, 5th semester 2018 scheme, and then 3rd semester it is also 2018 scheme. Now only two schemes are running in the university as a regular classes, right? For that syllabus is totally different. They are having actually wastewater engineering, same subject in 7th semester. Now, okay, that is teaching by what you call Amar Bakodi sir and what you call Kanti sir. Okay, those that means that subject will be handled by those two professors. Okay, now they are having one more subject, that is a laboratory, environmental engineering laboratory. Whatever you are studied in water supply and now they are studying in wastewater, mixing of those two, they are kept the same syllabus how to analyze in the laboratory by using water and wastewater. Okay, they have to study all those things in this semester only. For you people, it is only what you call See the wastewater engineering lab. Last semester in 4th semester you have studied water supply engineering. This semester is wastewater engineering. That is municipal wastewater engineering. Remember it. Next semester you are having lab. Because your scheme is different, totally different. It is a new scheme and you are the first batch of this scheme. That is why be careful because the question paper and syllabus totally change. Totally it is change, new syllabus. That is why we are worrying about your future, because the copying and pasting no use at all. Understood? At least whatever you are putting this video, you have to listen this video, open the video many times whenever you are free. You are in 24 hours, only 4 hours video we are going to put out of 24 hours. Please try to understand, sit properly, keep some notes separately, 100-page notebook. See, simply all the notes are in the form of what? Soft copy. All the subjects are in soft copy. Now presently how many subjects it is running? 6 subjects, or that means 6 subject in 5th semester. See, one is construction management. See, and then number 2 is what you call analysis of intermediate structure, and then structural elements, the design of RC structures, and then basic geotechnical engineering, that is soil mechanics, and then my subject municipal wastewater engineering, and last one is highway engineering. See, totally you are having a 6 subject this time plus 2 laboratory. Please be careful, okay, to study each and every one. If you are having a doubt, clarify those doubt from the concerned staff member immediately. You note down all those doubts separately with respect to separate subjects, individual subjects. Then those doubts we can anytime we can ask. See, if nobody will ask the question, what is the meaning? You know everything. Don't ask next afterwards. See, now internals are starting, then don't ask, because the problems, designs, so many things they are going to give. Mine is almost, you are already, just now I have shown, 1.5 module is over. Totally it is completed. See, till today you are not asked any single doubt. Then it is understood that what is the meaning of it? You know everything. Even though in your house, see the notes as given, you are having freeness, you are not going anywhere, you are having a notes, question papers, everything we are given. Now in the next week we are going to start internals IA. Now IA portion, at least you start preparing it. So many of the people from your batch 5th semester, at least assignment on 5 questions not able to submit means, so I will put 0, this is over. Now 2 marks deducted, and don't expect again 2 marks for 6 marks. No, it is average of 3. See, first assignment, second assignment, third assignment. That is A plus B plus C divided by 3. If A is 0, no problem. See, and also many of the people I have observed this assignment answers. The problem, you are jumping the answers and directly jumping the steps and writing the answers. It is of no use. Remember it. I want detail on these steps. See, for example, see that is a Q1 and Q2. See what you call discharge, and what you call from different catchment area and different surfaces I have given. But where is the calculation? Where is the details of calculation? Don't put answer by copying from others. I know very well. You have to show those steps. How the answer it has come. Okay. And say I1, I2, I3. Okay, sigma A into I, that is A1 into I1 plus A2 into I2. Like this. The what you call the equation. See, for that many people direct answer they are kept without substituting the values. How it is possible? Nodappa, you will lose marks. I will reduce 1 or 2 marks for that type of answers. Okay, this is the first assignment. See, I will see how it is and all. Because each and everybody, minimum 6 to 7 pages they have written. If those are written nicely, no problem. See, many people not written your roll numbers. I will deduct 1 mark. Your roll numbers are compulsory, whatever in my subject. You forget about others. I am not knowing others, what they are following and all. I want your answer sheets. If you won't write what you call your roll number properly, then you lose marks. See, and also while scanning, it should be in bright manner. ಸಿ ಏನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಟಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸಿ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೋ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಿಂದುಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀ-ಫೈನಲ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್. Pre-final students, 50% of the engineering course almost completed. Now you are entering into 5th semester. Next semester is the 6th semester, is actually final year. Final year or pre-final, yes. The second year, see, fourth, see, first and second, third and fourth. 2 years are over. Now 2.5 years you are entered. Okay, leave it. See, now I am telling so many things other than the academical things, but they are very, very important. No one will tell you. Nobody will guide you. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಹಸುವಾದರೆ ನೀವೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಸುವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರೂ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್, ನೋ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಏನೇನೋ ಭಾಳ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ಯಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ. I will call you one by one and then I will tell you the status of this. Okay. See, I don't know what is the reason you are giving and I don't want all those. Okay. Now here, the determination of BOD is these two are types. One is a direct method, another is a dilution method. If you give sewage, I want to determine the BOD of that particular sewage, that wastewater in the laboratory. How to do? These are real methods you have to follow 100%, because the procedure, method of analysis, they will give you in the examination for 10 marks. How to conduct this experiment, BOD determination, what are the methods, like this. Okay, already last class I had told many times. Okay, the last class also explained and again I am repeating today. Okay, this is a direct method without dilution. Directly the wastewater can be analyzed. If wastewater is strong, okay, when it is if it is less than 7 milligrams, then this method is direct method is applicable. When it is more than 7, only you have to go for dilution method. Dilution andre eno, coffee strong idre ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, you have to add milk, that's all. See, like this, the wastewater is strong means then you have to go for dilution. Got it? Yes. Now in dilution also there are two methods. One is percentage mixture method, another is a direct pipetting method. Pipette ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ 5% ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100. 5% ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 ml in 100 ml. 5% mixture means what you call 5 ml in 100 ml. See, your analysis is done. We are going to conduct this one in one small bottle. That bottle name is BOD bottle. Remember it. That bottle capacity is how much? 300 ml. In that 300 ml, suppose 5% of wastewater I am using. What is the meaning of that? Tell me. For 100 ml, it is a 5 ml. For 300 ml, it is 15 ml. 15 ml of sewage we have to use. And the remaining is you have to fill with dilution water. See, that is why this is called dilution method. Dilution water, it is separately you have to prepare. See, that already explained in previous page. Okay, what is dilution water and all. See, that dilution water you have to add to your wastewater. See, your bottle is 300 ml. I have taken how much actually? How much wastewater you have taken? 5%. 5% means how much it is? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 3 times. It is a 15 ml of wastewater plus 285 ml of dilution water you have to use. Got it? See, now based on this dilution, we are going to conduct the experiment. ನೋಡಿ, we are duplicating this experiment by natural systemನ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡುಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. How means? Because this water flowing in a river is open to atmosphere. Got it? It is open to atmosphere. It is a natural water, it is flowing, right? Like this here, that exposure to the atmosphere, see, what is the temperature in that area? See, assuming that, considering that Almost all in the global system, all freshwater bodies moving in a particular temperature, that is inside, not atmospheric temperature, in that is a river temperature is 20 degree. Your body temperature is, all human beings body temperature is how much? 36 degrees centigrade. Remember it. Not Fahrenheit. Matte. Okay. See this 36 degree, sometimes that is a plus or minus 2 degree. Okay. 1 degree is okay. See, like this here also, that temperature in the environmental system, okay, that is a wastewater. That is the normal temperature of rivers are 20 degree. That 20 degree we are going to maintain in the laboratory. See, take the wastewater in that BOD bottle and fill it with the dilution water, okay, and then the bottle is closed, and then you have to, what you call, keep in the incubator. What is that incubator? What is the meaning of incubator? Incubator means it is a, what you call, maintaining constant temperature. It is an instrument or a device, equipment which is similar to a fridge. Okay, refrigerator. You know that height. Suppose 200 liters fridge or 165 liters. What do you call, refrigerator? What is the height? See, it will be approximately 5 to 6 feet. Got it? That is approximately ಒಂದು 5 feet ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸು, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 24 hours. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. Okay, the temperature is also very, very important. During low temperature, these items will be preserved and maintained the originality. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್. ಅದನ್ನಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ, okay, food items. Okay, now here this same wastewater bottle 300 ml, see that you have to take for minimum one trial means how much you have to take? 206 ml ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು usually, because there is a calculation that I will tell you afterwards. 206, the bottle capacity is how much? 300 ml. See, in 300 ml you are using 206 ml and remaining is how much? 94 ml, right? See, that 94 ml we cannot use for one more trial. Only one trial per bottle can be done in the laboratory. This is a real procedure I am explaining many times. Got it? Now that is why one bottle will give one trial for titration and all. Okay. See, now you have to keep the bottles inside. Minimum 2 trials ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅವರೇಜ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. See, we should be same values should come in the examination, that is in the laboratory. See, okay, this experiment is for 80 marks. 80 marks or 100 marks. Actually 62 converting into 100. No, in the next semester one experiment carries 100 marks. Remember it. If you know the concept this semester, this will be useful for the next semester. Okay, now we are going to keep number of bottles inside the incubator. See, in the incubator, after keeping, see how many days you have to maintain? 5 days without disturbing that bottles. You have to keep it inside. 2 bottles I am going to take, right? See, now those 2 bottles, see, for in the beginning 0 day also you have to do, that means you have to take 2 bottles and analyze 2 trials. Beginning value, initial DO present in the bottle, that is the wastewater sample plus dilution mixture, wastewater plus dilution water. That DO, that is dissolved oxygen can be determined very easily in the laboratory, okay, by titration method. ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ DO ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ದಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ? 2 bottles in the beginning and you have to keep it in the incubator. 2 bottles. Total how many bottles? 4 bottles. That is why in the procedure 3 to 4 bottles of, that is BOD bottles, are to be taken for analysis and filled with the sample. ನೋಡಿ, clearly I have given in the notes. Please go through. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್. ಕೊನೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತಾರೋ, ಯು ನೆವರ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರಾಗಿ ಡೈಲಿ 1 hour ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, 4 hours we are taking class, 4 hours extra you at least you use it for your studies, assignment or something. 8 hours ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 16 hours will be remaining with you. Got it? Even for college offline also it is 8 hours. That is 1 hour lunch, 7 hours. ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 2 hours See, the classes will start from 9 o'clock, 9 to 10, 11 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 2 hours. After 2 hours, one break. And again after 11 o'clock, 11, 12, 12 to 1, 2 more hours we will be engaged. Totally 4 hours. Again break, lunch break. Afternoon 3 hours. How much it is? 2 plus 2 plus 3 hours. Totally 7 hours classes for you in a day. This semester is one of the toughest semester, I will tell you, because you are not knowing. Afterwards you will start suffering without solving the problem. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. I am humble request. See, submit the assignment immediately without wasting your time and solve the problems. See, I have given many question paper. 8 question paper ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ. 8 question paper I have given. Anybody solved? I want to see your problems. How you are solved and all, you have to write down and solve it and show me compulsorily before the internals. It takes not even 2 hours to solve the problems. Got it? All the problems, different types, I have solved the design problems. Try to solve those problems. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. This BOD experiment for 5 days. After 5 days, you have to open the door, that is incubator, and bring outside that bottles and analyze in the laboratory for oxygen content. See, first initial will be always higher value. The DO content will be always, that is 0 day is always higher value. Maximum value, nodi, maximum DO present in the water, that is a fresh water body, is at less than 10. It is 8 to 10 irtadri. Temperature, depending upon the temperature, the value will varies, right? Now, after 5 days, exactly on 5th day, you take outside and analyze in the laboratory. Okay, that value is some reduced value. In the beginning 8 milligram per liter, suppose, that is what you call blank test anta karitare. See, that is a DO present in that in the beginning is 8 milligram per liter. Then after 5th day, the oxygen remaining in the bottle is how much? Because it contains organic matter. That organic matter, these bacteria present in the water and wastewater in the mixture, they are going to eat. That is a food, right? Organic matter is acting as a food. See, that after eating this, the oxygen will be reduced because it is consumed by the bacteria. ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅದು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿ, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ we are conducting this experiment. See, naturally it is a duplicating method of this one. We are not adding any chemicals, remember it. We are adding some nutrients and oxygen, that is the saturation level alli bubbling ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, diffusion method. See, okay, that is in the dilution water. That dilution is rich in oxygen. See, okay, this wastewater plus that dilution water mixing together, and how much oxygen is consumed by the bacteria, you have to analyze. This process is called BOD determination. Try to understand carefully and please go through in your YouTube or Google. Okay, in Google alli ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. What is BOD, how to determine. You find out the BOD bottle and how to conduct this experiment. Video on YouTube also, YouTube. Okay, you will get all the things. Try to understand. My humble request is to, okay, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Try to understand, please. If you are not asking any question, means no doubt ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಹೇಳಿ? You know everything. Now, this method I was explained in the last class, that is what you call direct method of determination. Direct method of determination, you know, right? See, this direct method of determination we know. Next is the dilution method. In the dilution method here, see, I was explained what is dilution and what are the different methods of dilution. Next, what you call, see, this is in first method, what is the equation? Very simple equation. This is called initial DO, this is final DO. See, this is 0 day DO, 5 day DO. Now, I think this explanation is more than enough to understand what is this. Because 5 days we are maintaining, that is why 5 day BOD. BOD means oxygen determination, how much it is required by the bacteria to stabilize the organic matter. See, this in second method, dilution method. Again, this is 2 methods are there. Okay, final answer is same, but try to understand what is that. Again here, if you going to use a percentage method, this equation you have to use. Okay, if you are going for direct pipetting method, so okay, you have to use this one. Here DOB minus, so observe here, this is a percentage ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 5% waste water we are using, 95% is dilution water. In 300 ml bottle, what is the volume of the bottle? Capacity of the bottle is 300 ml. If it is percentage, here this is the equation. DOB means initial DO, and this is what you call after 5 days. This is 100 divided by percentage mixture. Minus of DOB minus DOS. DOB means initial DO it is. Okay. And minus of DOS means the oxygen present in wastewater. ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then this will be considered as equation number 1. Got it? Okay, next this one is equation number 2. This is what you call with seeding and without seeding. Seeding ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್. Here DOV, this is one equation, this is one equation. Totally 3 equations you have to remember. See, what is this? Everything I have given so beautifully. Okay, all the things are here. See, and then notes also along with this, it is there. Okay, try to solve the problems. Right? See, today I explained again BOD determination and methods of determination. Okay, and now how to, that is estimation means these are problems. Okay, only I have given this only again and ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ one module means 2 parts. Here also designs, here also design. Problem will be given in both the what you want, both the question. That is why we cannot, no other options, you cannot escape. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಬಿ ಒ ಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ MWWT ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಶಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ತರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿರ್ತದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್. Okay, of this, don't mistake on me. I have repeated so beautifully. See your complete syllabus. See, right? See, up to this. See, one method I know. See, today I have decided to do the design problems. But if you are not knowing properly, because that is why I have explained one. Okay, in clearly. Next class. Okay, this is the method of determination in the laboratory. Next class I will do you the characteristics. This characteristics means what actually in your syllabus? This is what you call sampling under physical, chemical, and biological characteristics. That notes is ready. See, okay, this notes already I have given. Try to go through because I am going very slowly, because otherwise I could have completed the whole things. Almost which class it is today? It is 19th class. ಆಯಿತಾ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು without knowing to you, I am covering the syllabus so beautifully, but your effort is very very important. Try to put some effort. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು. ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ರಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ? ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ರೀ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಮೀ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.